So the question is topological sort. So I think know about what is topological sort. Just like there is a given a graph, a direct acyclic graph in which there is a no cycle and it is a directed only one way to go. So as you can see in figure, like 5 and 4 are roots its own, like they are not coming from anywhere or no other edges are coming inside in these roots. So we can take 5 or 4, either anyone, and start. Then we have, like we have taken 5, then we have 2 and 0, then we can take from 2 and 0 anyone and then go. So that's why we have to take and make array, like there is a 5 4 2 1 3 0, like this. Like the end point is 0, all the edges are coming at the end of the 0. So how we are going to solve this? There is a two method we can solve this. One is using BFS and another using DFS. So let us start with BFS. So what we have to do, we have to first make a in order array in which we have to calculate all the coming edges in that particular node. Like we are in order, and the size of in order is actually the v, all the total number of edges, and we have initialized it with 0. Now we're taking, now our adjacent node have stored all the node that are coming from particular node. Like at 5 we get 0 and 2. So auto it at adjacent of, so here our it is store the vector of particular node. Like if I do it with for loop, let me do it with for loop. For loop int I is equal to 0, I less than vi plus plus, and for loop auto address of it of adjacent of I. Now what we are doing here is, like we are taking each and every nodes, like we are going every nodes and seeing its all child, like at 0, then we are know which are the connecting one. So we taking in order of it plus plus. So what will happen, like at 0, then there is a no node that are coming and that are going or coming from it, and the node which are going from that node will be added here. So we make q here, q of end of q, and we traverse through in order, and if it is not, if it is equal to 0, means no no vertex are coming from there, so we take it in our queue. Q dot push of I, this is our starting point, and we store in our answer also. So let's start BFS here. Like until q is not empty, we take our node. So int node is equal to q dot front and q dot pop, and we take it directly in our answer dot pushback node. Then we traverse from the all the array that are coming, like int address of it of adjacent of node. So what we will do, we decrement all by 1. So in order minus minus, and if in order by chance is equal to 0, then we take it in our q dot push it, and then we are returning our answer here. Return answer. Let me see. So I done a mistake, adjacent, or I write something else. So now it should be correct. Again somewhere wrong. Adjacent. This case is passed. Let's see our submit, and it is correct. Our solution is right. So that's all about topological sort using BFS.